2018 Toyota RAV4. The RAV4 is one of the most fuel-efficient SUVs in its class. Versatile and efficient, RAV4 mixes the comfort and drivability of a sedan with the benefits of an SUV. This highly evolved, well-packaged crossover SUV lets you have it all. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, fog lights, MP3 capability, trip computer, tachometer, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, overhead console, power moonroof, brake assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.